Today, we're diving deep into the world of kidney health. Our kidneys are these amazing little organs that work tirelessly behind the scenes, filtering waste products, regulating blood pressure, and keeping our electrolytes in balance. But just like any hard worker, sometimes our kidneys need a little TLC. That's where the concept of a kidney detox comes in. But before we jump into specific methods, let's address a common question. Do our kidneys even need detoxing? The truth is, our kidneys are naturally self-cleansing machines. They have a complex filtration system that removes waste and keeps our blood pure. However, certain lifestyle choices can put stress on our kidneys, potentially hindering their function. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, puffiness, and difficulty concentrating. So, while a true detox in the medical sense may not be necessary, there are definitely ways to support your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. That's what we'll be exploring today. 7 natural strategies to give your kidneys the helping hand. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative health content. Now, let's get started on those 7 natural ways to cleanse your kidneys. 1. Hydration. Hydration is paramount for kidney health. The kidneys require adequate fluids to process and remove waste products from the body efficiently. This chapter emphasizes the critical role of water in maintaining kidney function and preventing kidney stones. Drinking enough water helps to dilute the urine, reducing the concentration of minerals that can form kidney stones. The chapter offers practical tips on staying hydrated, such as monitoring water intake and recognizing signs of dehydration. By understanding the importance of hydration, readers can take a significant step towards supporting their kidney health. 2. Diet and kidney health. A balanced diet is essential for kidney health. This chapter discusses the importance of incorporating kidney-friendly foods into one's diet and identifies foods that can harm the kidneys. By focusing on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting salt, sugar, and high-protein intake, individuals can support their kidney function and facilitate the body's natural detoxification processes. The chapter also provides a sample meal plan designed to promote kidney health, offering readers practical dietary guidelines to follow for effective kidney detoxification. 3. The power of herbs in kidney detoxification. Nature provides an array of herbs known for their kidney-supporting properties. This chapter delves into how certain herbs, such as dandelion root, stinging nettle, and parsley, can promote kidney health. These herbs have diuretic properties that help increase urine output, aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins. The safe use of herbs for kidney detoxification is also discussed, guiding readers on how to incorporate these natural remedies into their health regimen responsibly and effectively. 4. Leveraging supplements for kidney support. Supplements can play a supportive role in kidney health. This chapter reviews essential supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B6, and magnesium, which have been shown to support kidney function and health. While supplements can be beneficial, the chapter emphasizes the importance of using them judiciously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to ensure safety and effectiveness. By understanding the right supplements to take and the correct dosages, individuals can enhance their kidney health through additional nutritional support. 5. The role of physical activity in kidney health. Regular physical activity is beneficial for the kidneys. This chapter highlights how exercise can help maintain optimal kidney function by reducing blood pressure, improving circulation, and facilitating the elimination of toxins through sweat. It outlines various kidney-friendly exercises and offers suggestions for incorporating regular physical activity into one's daily routine. By staying active, readers can take an important step toward protecting their kidneys and enhancing their overall health. 6. Reducing toxin exposure to protect your kidneys. Minimizing exposure to environmental toxins is crucial for kidney health. This chapter identifies common toxins that can affect kidney function, including certain medications, heavy metals, and chemicals found in everyday products. Practical steps for reducing exposure to these toxins are provided, such as choosing organic foods, using natural cleaning products, and avoiding certain medications and substances. By understanding how to minimize toxin exposure, individuals can protect their kidneys from unnecessary stress and damage. 7. The importance of regular kidney cleansing. Regular kidney cleansing is vital for maintaining kidney health. This chapter discusses the signs that may indicate the need for a kidney detox and outlines how often one should cleanse their kidneys. It also introduces natural kidney cleansing recipes and methods that can be easily incorporated into daily life. By regularly cleansing the kidneys, individuals can ensure these organs function efficiently, supporting overall health and well-being.